We are assembling the soccer mason jar. These mason jar boxes are very quick and pretty easy to put together. So I'm going to start with the box, and you just fold everything on the score lines. And excuse me, the bottom of the box is squared off so that you have straight lines to work with instead of trying to curve. Just applied a little bit of pressure there on the bottom, and now I'm going to put on this side and get my glue to come out. And now we're just going to finish it off. I'm just applying some pressure on the inside to get my tabs stuck into place. There we are. I always like to put my lid on my mason jar first. And you just apply this piece to the center of your lid. Now, there are pieces included so that you can do the back side of the jar if you want. I am only doing the front side for the video. I'm just trying not to apply too much glue, but enough to hold everything down. And the easiest way to line this up is to start in this corner. It fits right in the corner. You'll know the piece that does, just and the two opposite corners line up just like that. Very simple, but very cute. Then to apply this to the box, I'm going to put the glue on the box because of my bottom corners that are squared. The panel itself, the corners are rounded. I'm going to stand it up so I can use the table and then my fingers on the two sides as my guides to where that goes. flip it over, and again, apply pressure on from the inside. This one has a soccer ball tag. So whatever you have, that will help you just put a little bit of glue. Or if you have a Xyron runner, something like this would be good in that. Okay, and then I have a pipe cleaner to use for my handle. You could use string, wire, if you want to cut a strip of paper to put on here. I like the pipe cleaners. For one, it's helping me use them up because I bought a whole bunch of them one time. I don't even know why I did it. And I have all these pipe cleaners to use. And I'm going to take some twine. I don't have any black, so I'm using a chocolate. To reach behind me and grab my scissors. Can't tell if I've used this one before. Yes, I have. Oh. I could put it on the right way. That will help so that it doesn't flip around backwards. Just trim the edges. And there is the soccer ball mason jar. Thank you for joining me.